In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Webull account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Webull application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Webull application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, sign up and log in. If you do not have your account yet, you can tap on the option sign up and sign up for the new account. But if you want to log into your existing account, tap on this option login. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface. You'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your email address, or you can also log in with your phone number. For that, tap on this option switch to phone number. Here I'm just going to log in with my email. So tap on the field of email address and enter the email address associated with your account. After you do that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your login password. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the option forget password and recover it. Otherwise, simply enter your password over here. Now after you enter your password, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Webull account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.